you can save thousands of inspections each year. Yearly planning is looking at the whole network on a yearly basis, so we can do the whole planning of the network. So this will immediately bring you cost savings, because you won't be doing any inspection to such assets that will be demolished, say, within a couple of years. So we need to know that what are the assets that we want to inspect or maintain, when was the previous inspection done, how often the inspection should be done. And already based on that information, we can then provide a suggestion that, okay, next year you should be inspecting these assets. With the ERP connection, we can transfer this information to the ERP, and based on the unit costs of actions, we also know that it will take this much money. And you can then adjust the suggestion. For example, if you want to, say, do some other scheduling, for example, based on the area and such. So, for example, you could have a transformer inspection as a project, pole inspection as a project, and so on, and for each year. So this project management enables you kind of calculating key performance indicators for each project. So in high-level planning of maintenance, you can find out, okay, I need to inspect 1,500 poles next year, and it will cost me this much money. And as a result, we produce some maintenance actions for field groups to execute. So the whole planning process, from the high-level planning to the field execution, it's actually really smooth and fast. All the time we get the information of, okay, now 1,100 out of 1,500 actions have been completed.
Okay.
And this much money has been spent. So having this in the same environment with maintenance module actually enables you filtering out the investment objects from maintenance. That is the biggest saving, because by this way you can save thousands of inspections each year. So this is like really easy money for the utility.